Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever used ChatGPT and thought, the answer's okay, but not quite what I wanted, then today's video is going to change the game for you. We're diving into the basics of prompting, the art of talking to AI so it actually gives you the results you want. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to prompt like a pro, but you'll also walk away with ready-to-use prompt templates for content planning, creation, and scheduling. Let's get started. What is prompting? So what exactly is prompting? Prompting is simply giving AI a set of instructions in natural language so it knows what you want. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. If you just say, I want something tasty, you might get anything. But if you say, I'd like a spicy chicken wrap with no mayo, extra cheese, and a side of fries, now you're much more likely to get exactly what you imagine. It's the same with ChatGPT. The more specific and clear you are, the better the results. The 3 golden rules. Here are my 3 golden rules for writing great prompts. Rule number 1, be clear and specific. Don't just say write a post. Tell it the topic, length, tone, and platform. Rule number 2, provide context. Who's the audience? What's the purpose? Give ChatGPT the background so it can tailor the response. Rule number 3, set format and style. Do you want a list, a script, bullet points, or a paragraph? The format tells AI how to deliver. The prompting framework. I like to use a simple 4-step framework when prompting. First is the role. Tell ChatGPT who to be. Example, act as a social media strategist. Second, task. Clearly say what you want. Example, create a 1-month content plan. Then provide some details. Give specifics like audience, tone, and platforms. Example, for a fitness coach targeting busy professionals on Instagram and TikTok. And lastly, the format. Tell it exactly how to present the answer. Here's an example. Include post ideas, formats, and key messages in a table. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Number 1, being too short or vague. Number 2, forgetting to mention the audience. And number 3, not asking for refinement. Remember, you can always say, make it shorter, more casual, or more engaging to fine-tune. Here's a bad prompt example. Write a post about morning workouts. And here's the improved version. Write a 200-word Instagram post about the benefits of morning workouts in a friendly and motivational tone with 5 hashtags. See the difference? The second one gives us something we can actually post right away. Try this and comment, how did it go for you? All right, here are some copy and paste prompts for you to try. These work for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. First one is the content planning prompts 1. Act as a social media strategist. Create a 1-month content plan for a fitness coach targeting busy professionals on Instagram and TikTok. Include post ideas, formats, and key messages. 2. Generate 10 content topics for YouTube videos about beginner photography tips, ordered from easiest to most advanced. Next is the content creation prompts. Write a 200-word Instagram post about the benefits of morning workouts. Use a friendly and motivational tone. Add 5 relevant hashtags. Create a short TikTok script under 30 seconds, teaching 1 quick Canva design tip for small business owners. Next is the content calendar prompts 1. Create a 4-week social media posting calendar for a personal finance coach on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Include content type, caption ideas, and posting days. 2. Plan a 7-day daily content schedule for a YouTube channel teaching beginner photography. Include video titles, descriptions, and thumbnail ideas. And that's it. The basics of prompting. Remember, AI isn't magic. It's a collaborator. The more detail and direction you give, the more powerful it becomes. Try these prompts, experiment, and tell me in the comments which one gave you the best results. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and I'll see you in the next one.